beautiful sand of Diani. Beautiful ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Yeah, hey guys, this is the Indian Ocean. The ocean next to our villa. It's so close to our villa. I wanted to share this to you guys because you guys support us so much. Now there it is. If you want some more videos of Mombasa, please comment them. Please comment maybe before, because I'm leaving Mombasa tomorrow. So please comment. Just comment if you want some to see more things about our villa. I'm here with my friend called Warren. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be taking you through these adventures every year. We'll be showing you our villa. Even as you see in other videos, you'll see the more videos coming up soon. Okay. But for now, bye.
What did you say?
Bye.